Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Fruitvale, British Columbia. This small village is located in the West Kootenay region, just east of Trail, along Highway 3B. It sits in the Beaver Valley, surrounded by forests, mountains, and farmland. Fruitvale began as a stop along the Great Northern Railway in the early 1900s. At the time, land promoters advertised the area as a place where fruit would grow well, which is how the village got its name. Even though large-scale fruit growing did not take off, the name Fruitvale stayed. Today, Fruitvale is home to a few thousand people. It has schools, parks, local shops, and services for residents. Whether you're visiting or passing through, this village offers a glimpse of small-town life in the mountains of British Columbia. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Fruitvale, British Columbia. Thanks for watching.